In January of 2008, the American government scientist from NASA, James Hansen, who I described before, our greatest climatologist, he and his team issued a paper called Target CO2. And it said, any value for carbon in the atmosphere greater than 350 parts per million is not compatible with a planet similar to the one on which civilization developed and to which life on Earth is adapted. Right now, outside this center and every place else outdoors on this planet, the CO2 concentration in the atmosphere is 390 parts per million. In 2100, the atmosphere around us will contain not 350 parts per million, not 390 parts per million, 770 parts per million. If that's not literally hell, then it'll have a very similar temperature. We cannot be burning coal 20 years from now if we have any hope of getting back to 350. Cannot be burning coal. We have got to do the work to take the fossil fuel economy and make it the renewable economy inside a generation. We're not going to cut our emissions 4% by 2020. We're going to cut them 40%, which science demands. If Barack Obama said that, then the world would have half a fighting chance. That's where we'd be headed. He's not going to say that this week. We're not going to get the treaty that we need this week, but the movement that we're building is going to be strong enough to get there eventually. It's going to have to be, because we don't have any other choice.